Hey, it's Ronan. One of my students sent an email saying, hey, I recently learned how to play the old version of Somewhere Over the Rainbow, the classical version. I was really wanting to play the version by Easy, the Somewhere, the one on ukulele. Beautiful. Wondering how to do that. Let's have a listen. Let's learn how to do it. This is such a popular, beautiful version of the song. There are stories about Israel waking up in the middle of the night, calling the recording studio, saying, I'm coming over, and recording this beautiful version that we all know now. Beautiful. So, I recently did a workshop about getting a groove, about getting strumming, right? We don't start the song as we can use that melody, but that's not what the song is about. It doesn't start with Israel's beautiful voice. Let's get the groove, and how do we replicate that on the accordion? I have a ukulele inside, but it's going. We're not going to do that on accordion, but let's adapt something similar. And again, in the workshop that I did, we looked at some irregular rhythms that we can do on the accordion. It's not a waltz, it's not a tango, it's not a polka. Bass, tone, bass, da, 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 ba, da, da. That's going to be the backbone of the song. That chaka, 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 chaka. We can fill in with our right hand the chaka chaka, but what I'm sensing, it's a little bit of a reggae ska kind of beat. I know it's not, but right? Beautiful. That's the backbone. We haven't even hit the lyrics. There it is. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. It's a little bit lazy. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Play along with me, but that's the idea. It's not pa pa. Tuck, 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 tuck. Right? It's that papa, papa, tuck, tuck, tuck. That's that ska reggae thing. Tuck, 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 tuck. That's the idea. Right hand can do the taka taka. And this is really an exercise in tone. And how do we make it as sweet as the ukulele? We have an accordion. And so, am I too long? How little do I have to press so I get on that C major? Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. I could do. This is playing connected somewhere over the rainbow. Almost not lifting up my hand, while this is keeping it light. More advanced technique. I'm filling in the rest. I'm playing harmony. right taking it up there so it's nice and clear. If you have a musette, etc. So that's what I would encourage you to do. Make it your own on the accordion, just like Izzy made it his own on the ukulele. But that idea of the tick, 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 cha, tick, tick, tick. Behind it, there's a lot of heart, but we're keeping it sparse and clean, so Izzy's beautiful voice or beautiful accordion melody can shine through, or your own singing. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.